Here's how to install the Fantom Tec Blackout privacy plate. This kit comes with the smart glass and everything you need to wire the kit up to your car. And it also comes with this beautiful carbon fiber frame. First thing you're going to want to do to install it is remove your license plate, and from there you can transfer it onto the bracket. Now gently place the glass on top of the plate and tuck the wire behind it. Next you're going to want to set up the wiring. This is very simple. All the cables are numbered, so you just have to plug them in order. Next up, pop the trunk and remove the panel behind it. I'm doing this on a BMW E90, so this may vary. If you're doing it on the same car, this is how the clip works. Now with the plastic pry tool, remove the license plate lights. For the E90, all you have to do is press inwards towards the middle of the license plate from the left side. I ran the cable from the inside of the trunk into the wiring loom. Mine happened to be ripped, so I just ran them around it and then wrapped it in electrical tape. Here's a better video showing how I ran it from the inside of the car into the trunk, all the way into this hole that leads to the license plate light. Now that you have the cable sticking out, you can plug it into the glass. Finally, you can put the plate back on, gently lift the glass, make sure you don't bend it too much. Lastly, you can put the frame on and screw it into place with the included screws and Allen key. Now this is the final product that you get with the Fantom Tec kit. With the touch of a wireless remote button, you can completely black out the license plate, giving you maximum privacy. And you can get yours for half off during their flash sale.